and handling this thing. Go.
Oh, crazy. Oh. So, my recent video by TARAS STANIN is doing great thus far, but I've seen a comment where the comment is saying, "Hey sweetie, thanks for your reaction." But the video half his, which is TARAS STANIN, sounded a little bit muffled, right? So I guess some part in my video sounds a bit off key. It's not cued with the official TARAS STANIN video, which this is a made up video for the video that was not sounding good for my previous reaction by TARAS STANIN. So to all my beautiful subscription, to this one specific subscriber, here we go. This is a video for you, and I do hope you accept it as it is. And thank you so much for watching. So people, this video was done by TARAS about a couple months ago, and it is called Queen. Okay, first time hearing of this one, so it's gonna be exploring momentum to this content that TARAS has done, because trust me, that man knows what he's doing. He's a king at beatboxing, and he's a masterpiece at what he does. Okay, so let's not waste no more of your time. Let's venture off into what Mr. TARAS has for us at this point. Peace.
I sit alone and watch your lights, my only friend from teenage night. And everything I'm better to know. I'm burning up, spy burning up. Pepper edgy, oh. Start a matchstick. Another one bites the dust. Speedboat up with the street with the print and I love.
Oh, oh, oh. Back, 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 back. Oh. 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 Yo, a mastermind at work, bro. A mastermind at work. Is actually phenomenal. Hey. Whoa. 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 Wow.
He knows time, but his on his feet. I'm just ready to go. And the phone trap it up with us. Boot, boot, boot. And the phone trap it up with us. And the phone down, and the phone down. And the phone trap it up. Say, hey, hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bite for. Go. One vision. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. This thing, colors, pleasures, and handling this thing. Go.
Oh, crazy. Oh. Yo. Yo, bro, transition is so sick. Yo, bro, these transitionings are so crazy. Bro, he's so professional, he's not even tired, man. Damn! Damn! Fuck, bro. Oh, man.
Crazy little thing called love. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Can anybody find me somebody to love? It's just a real light. It's just a sympathy. Mama, drop up, skill the man. Put the gun again, he said. Put no trigger now, is there. Mama, drop it, but just begun. But the power keep on throwing all the way, babe. Mama,
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's unbelievable. Bro, and this man voice box can be tired. Like bro is making so much different sound, so much different beat, so much different things here at once, without even breaking a sweat, without even taking a breath, or without even taking a break from doing such exhausting work. Bro is using his voice in so much different ways, ways that we can't even imagine to use. There. Yo. Sweet. Hey. Oh my goodness, bro. Damn.
the type. Sometimes I've never been turned down. Carry on, and there's nothing really. Empty spaces, but I will believe in the pop. Abundant places, but there's people know that the scarp is beyond that unknown. Does anybody know what we are looking for? Show must go. Show must go on. Inside my heart is breaking. My makeup made me be flaking, but my smile still stays on.
Terrific. Bro is very bewildering. Superb. At this point, he's unmatched. He's on top of his game. If I saw anyone who can come close to him, then I could give him a props. But at this point, he's unmatched. He's the king of beatboxing. Bro, I've seen so much beatboxers out there. So much. But compared to this one, bro, I'm sorry for the comparisons, but compared to Mr. TARAS standing here, bro, he can't be compared He's the king of this, bro. He's on the throne, man. I want to see who can really devour this man to remove him from the throne to get the throne to be king of beatboxing. But at this point, Taras is a king. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember, subscribe, leave a like, stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in another beatboxing reaction by Taras STANIN, bro. I'm waiting patiently. Peace.